burning brush today. Kind of getting the area cleared up. I've got another one of my allergy headache migraines going on. That's fun. But we had some big piles of brush like right in front of me here and over there. So we'll get those burnt up, and then tomorrow Scott's going to be working over at the mill, so I can work out here and start laying down cardboard and have Seamus help me get wood chips. Raven can't bark anymore without gasping for breath. Seamus is clearing the woods of debris. Careful, Peanut. You gotta watch throwing it into the pile when Dad's head's right there. Did you clear up a nice area in the woods? Huh? Yeah. Good. It's all gonna need to be cleared. Raven's barking withstanding. It's a very nice, quiet day out today.
No school today.
Mm-hmm. There's something so comforting about watching a fire, whether indoors or outdoors. A controlled fire, of course. Raven! 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 Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down, Raven. Seamus is trying to take trees apart. Shush. Raven. No. Yeah, don't go running over by the fire pit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. She probably can't hear you.
Yes, that's too big, buddy. Yeah, that's too long. That has to be cut off.
Raven, go lay down. Seamus just wants to throw something into the fire. Sounds like he's clearing the woods over there. Yeah, I have to repair my chicken wind chime. The massive winds we've had lately have totally decimated the strings. Actually, I think I'll work on my Cali-inspired birdhouse today. It'll be nice when eventually we can get our table and I can work outside. Watch those sticks. He's going to show him how to use the loppers. We always get kind of nervous about Seamus and tools. But it's good that he learned how to use them, but he doesn't have the concentration to always pay attention to what he's doing. So that's where we get concerned. But we're out here, we're watching them. Scott talks too fast for him to understand. I try to explain that to him, but he doesn't understand that. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Yep. Got the driveway smoothed out a little bit. Scott got all the twigs, that huge pile of twigs we had here in front of the house, all that's burned up into that smoldering fire over there. The compost pile got fed, and all my boxes are in one spot. Almost. Oh, there's still some over there. Okay. If I had Seamus moving, that would have been a good job for him. It is a beautiful evening. It's getting chilly though. I need to go inside and get a coat on or a sweater. But yeah, people are mowing, people are burning lawn waste like we did. Oh, and Scott got me a present. Isn't that thoughtful of him? Yeah, he picked it up out of the middle of the road. It's never even been opened. A brand new glue gun. He's always thinking of me though. Okay. Oh yeah, Cameron. I don't know if I can zoom in at all. Oh yeah. There we go. He's probably hunting frogs because that's the frog area. 5 of the outdoor kitties have been hanging out outside today. Well, actually I should say all 4 of them, because Eddie's not really an outdoor kitty, but he's... Yeah. Lily and Smeagol haven't ventured out yet, though. What's that over there? That's Loki. Loki!
Over here.
And that's Eddie.
That's it.
Hey, Eddie.
That's it.
Hi.
Checking out the outdoors.
He's like, how do I get back in?
Yeah.
Oh, Loki's looking for bugs on the lawnmower over there. He's going under the lawnmower. What? You don't put your head under a lawnmower? What the heck's the matter with you?
Yes.
Alright, I'm cold. I'm going in. Have a good evening, guys. I hope it's as beautiful where you are as it is here. Good night.